Hello everyone! What's up? It's Kimchi. Ba't nga ba tayo pupunta ng South Korea? It's because we're going to shoot some contents about our South Korea package. Dito kami ngayon sa Hanso Seoul Park and itong mga nakikita nyo sa taas are cherry blossoms. First convenience store in Korea. Let's go! Hi guys, so right now pupunta kami ngayon ng Gyeongbok Palace to see the palace and also to wear hanbok, their traditional hanbok. So it's gonna be exciting and let's see you around.
Nandito po tayo ngayon kung saan tayo mag-rent ng hanbok.
Makikita nyo sobrang daming mga hanbok dresses here. There. Perfect! Hi guys, so now we are wearing our hanboks.
This is the color we chose.
Yeah, so what is your color, sir?
I think it's navy blue.
Mine is violet because I love purple. Wow!
Represent the seas.
The sea. I represent the flower because it's spring today. Let's go! Hey guys, now we are here at our second destination, which is the Starfield Library. And currently we're going to the mall now. We're walking as you can see. Malaki ba to?
Yeah.
Super laki.
Sa 3rd floor to 8th floor.
Ay, 8th floor? Ang syala. Grabe. Kung sa Pinas, saan mo ito mahahalin tulad?
Nothing. Wala eh.
Wala. Hey guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Everland and this is gonna be our last tour for this second day. And dito, pagpasok nyo, pwede kayong mag-rent ng uniform, ng mga school uniform nila. And it's really cute. It costs around 25,000 won din. Pero ngayon, nakatipid kami kasi nagdala kami ng sarili naming mga school uniform outfit. So ito yung aking outfit for today. So if gusto nyo rin makatipid, I suggest na magdala na kayo ng sarili nyong uniform. So yeah, let's go!
네 옆에.
와, 안녕. Grabe, ayoko yan. Hindi ko kaya yan. Tingnan niyo guys, so bamboo lang.
Hello!
So it's now our day 3 here in South Korea. Currently, umuulan. Guys, binigyan nila kami ng gift coupon. So guys, para makarating dito sa Myeongdong entrance, ito yung pinakamalapit na station. We have one. Which one? This one. Yeah. Ang laki ng strawberry, ah. Can you see that? It's so juicy.